Hey guys, it's Brian again with another ceiling fan video. I'm at Nate Gerding's house and I have here a 52-inch Winnower ceiling fan. It's basically a copy of a Casablanca Zephyr. It's got a real big 188 millimeter motor in it. It's definitely chunky. That motor housing's got some thick. It's got stencil blades. It's a 3-speed reversible fan, and yes, it is missing the canopy. No, I do not care. It is not my fan. Not my problem.
Well, it does have the canopy. I just don't have it on it.
I wouldn't even worry about it, to be quite honest. What's the toolbox? Okay, we're gonna start this thing up on low.
I thought you'd never grab the castle in that spot.
Well, we'll make an exception for this one.
I'll do what I want.
She got a really nice low speed to her. Yeah, I definitely like the low speed on this. It's really aesthetic. It's got a little bit of a shudder, but that's probably because of the fans that are on pushing air onto the top of the blades, making it shake a little. But it's got a really nasty wobble, so we're not going to run it very long on the higher speeds.
Got the wobble.
This will be the video where it falls.
This is medium. Wouldn't that suck?
The new ones were good.
Actually, the wobble on medium is really not that bad. Definitely a good air mover. We'll run it for like a few seconds like this. Oh, Jesus. Oh, boy. Okay, yeah, let's turn that one off.
Send a track light it out.
Oh, good God.
Fine, send the light down the track.
She definitely moves good air. I mean, that 188 in there, so it's a beefy motor for this fan.
Wobble. These a little bangles.
Yeah, she's a little wonky.
The bearings seem good in it too.
Yeah, I didn't hear any hiss or anything.
Whoa.
Well, obviously the bearings are good. It's got a pretty good spin down.
It takes a while. So does that thing. Wake up. God dang.
Put some coffee.
Maybe.
Actually, that's not a bad idea. I would not mind a cup of coffee myself.
If we're going to be like swapping fans out, then we'll need some coffee.
Hey, we got to live it up. Going home tomorrow.
Yeah.
And she stopped. So there she is. Hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching. More videos to come.